How to log in to Netflix from laptop. In today's video, I'll show you how to log into Netflix on your laptop or PC quickly and easily. If you're new to Netflix or having trouble signing in, this guide is for you, so let's get started. First, open any preferred web browser like Google Chrome, Microsoft Edge on your laptop or PC and make sure your internet connection is stable. Now in the browser's address bar, type Netflix login, or you can simply tap on netflix.com and press enter as well. Now, at the top right corner of the Netflix homepage, you can find an option that says sign in. Simply tap on it. This will take you to the Netflix's homepage or Netflix login page. Just what you need to do is enter your email or phone number. Just type in the email address or phone number associated with your Netflix account and simply enter your Netflix password. If you've forgotten your password, you can simply tap on forgot password to reset your password as well. And if you've forgotten your password, all you need to do is simply enter your email address and it will send you a text message, and you can simply verify it through. And once you've done that and logged in, you'll be able to access your profile. And that's it. That's how you simply log into Netflix on your laptop or PC.